Hello guys, how are you doing? So in this video, I am going to mix my traditional product research method that I use to find products that gives me around 10 plus sales per day each. And I am going to mix that traditional method with a software tool and show you how to find products in literally 15 to 30 minutes. So let's jump to my computer and show you step by step how you will use the same method that I use. So this is a bestseller page. You can simply search amazon.in slash in Google Amazon bestsellers and this page will appear. Now you can also look for hot new releases here and they will appear as a list by categories from here. Then what I will do for this is, as I am incorporating my my manual method with software tool. So let's select a category for this particular video. So let's start with this car and motorbike care. Um, So what I then do is I open every subcategory. Okay, we first jumped into your car and motorbike, then I have jumped into your car and motorbike care, which is the subcategory. Then I will actually go to the subcategory, that is car and motorbike care, and I will go more deeper into that. So let's open this categories. So we are narrowing down our searches by doing this. Now what I will do is I will just let your Helium 10 run. This is X-ray that I am running. The sales number so far looks great. We'll look for the revenue here and the review count. So if you look at the revenue numbers are very impressive, considering a single product is giving this much amount of review. Then we will also look at, if you look at this, they are having so much lesser number of reviews, still their revenues are so high. You see the revenues are so high. The reviews are very less, still the revenue is very high. If you look at the revenues here, and if I go and sort by revenues, so you will found a few your big top brands also, but if you neglect those, still there are a lot of products that are actually with less number of reviews, they're generating great revenues. So let's look at the next your bestseller. Now if we can found a lot of products from this type of niche, and they are good private label opportunities can lie here, because these type of products are generally good fit for a private label product. You see the total your average revenue here. So let's start by revenues. So here the review numbers are very high, but if we look down, the reviews are not that high, but still their revenues are very high. The reviews are very less, still the revenue is very high, which can be a good opportunity if we dive deep more into this. And you can follow up with my the last video where I have actually did some methods to actually shortlist a few products that we have selected. You can also go to that, and that was also a sort of product validation video. You can watch that also. So this is also a good niche to enter, because there are a lot of lesser reviews and again revenues are high. But again, you will go more deeper into it after choosing 20-30 products. Then you will go more deeper into the validation process. This market is not that your, but still, if you see, there are few products that are actually crushing the market without high number of reviews. So maybe this is a type of market that you want to enter, because there is a less number of your competitors that you can target, but the review numbers are very high, revenue numbers are very high, and review are very less. So this is also a good kind of a product that you can target. So if you see the revenue numbers are, sorry, the review numbers are very low here. The revenues are cool. And you will avoid few big brand like big name brands. Otherwise, it is very good market also. Now you have to look at the products to validate further. No, I would generally do not enter in this type of market, like where there is a paint or lots of liquid stuff, because there may be some requirements, like they may be hazardous product, they may catch fire. So if you send this type of inventory in Amazon FBA, then you may need to actually provide some extra certificates. This may be also that kind of market I wouldn't actually jump into, because there are a lot of liquid type of stuffs here. Same for this also. I generally avoid liquid stuffs. Yeah, this is also same. Now this is another market. There are other kinds of product which can be good private level options, except for this type of things like car shampoo or something like that. Now if we look at the numbers, let's sort it by revenues. I have to let it load first. So here you see the Tony Stark microfiber flexible. So Tony Stark is generating a lot of revenue here, and the reviews are also quite high for Tony Stark. If you look, you see a lot of products are there which low review numbers, but still their revenues are very high. And here also you see the revenues are very high with such a low review numbers, which can be a good thing for us. And yeah, it can be a good thing for us, because that might be an indicator that the market is actually accepting new competitions, and they are not actually depending on reviews that much. They are free to accept new good value for the customers. So if you can provide a better value, then they can easily accept your product also. Let's try to look at a few more your products. Let's look at this. These are a very good option to your for the private label products, and you can easily source these products with a lot of cheap shipping. Yeah, as I thought, these are very good products. So the revenues are very high here. You can see. Now I have personally competed with 1,000 over 1,000 reviewed products, and I have managed to actually get a good position for many of the keywords with just simple bundling. Now, if you look at the reviews and the revenues, they are a very good option for us to enter into this type of markets, because reviews are very less. Still, they are getting so much amount of sales, and that is why they are getting such revenue numbers. So this type of markets are very good for us. Now you see we are getting so much niches in such a less time. Let's try to look at another your. This is also same type of products that we saw earlier. Might be there is a good demand for this type of products. So here you see this top seller is doing 38 lakhs per month in revenue. Obviously, the reviews are a little high, and others are also doing such a great numbers with a single product with such a less number of reviews. This is very good market, and a lot of sales volume is here. So you see, we are tracking so much amount of good products from here that we can actually shortlist for our next process of validation. So this is how you can actually incorporate our manual bestseller method that we generally use with Helium 10 to find a lot of opportunities so quicker. Yeah. That I use. So if you want to use this Helium 10 tool, then you can use my coupon code in the description below and get 50% off in your first month, or you can also use my link to get 20% off every month when you purchase from my link. So that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.